Good morning, students. Hope you are stay safe and well in your home. Today topic is the purchase control for semester 5, subject food and beverage control. In last topic or in previous video, I teach you cost control cycle, food cost control and beverage cost control, so on. Now purchase and receiving control unit, the topic is purchase control. Purchase means to buy the item for a specific requirement for a policy, a catering establishment, according to the catering establishment. Means as like catering establishment, the purchase specification can be defined as well. Purchase control. When we purchase any item raw or ready to use, the controlling is the main or most important thing for F&B service, for food and beverage service. If the purchase specification is not specified for a particular outlet or for a particular dish or a particular function, the food cost can be increased and the price also be high. So for controlling the food cost, for increasing your profit, the purchasing also can be specified in a proper way. So we can divide the purchasing control in 6 parts, 6 sub-points. One by one we talk about on that function of the purchasing control. How we control the purchase? First of all, search. Search means to search the market, to search the product, to search the requirement as per your establishment, as per your F&B establishment policy. If we not search in a proper way, then the food price can be high. As example, we want to open a food outlet. If we not search the table chair type, quality, price, we go on a single shop and buy the furniture and not search about the quality, quantity, durability, pricing, comparison according to the market, so you may lose. If you search or compare the market price by 1, 2, 3, 4 shop or online and many others, and search the quantity, search the quality, search the durability and comparison other equipments. You go to the other food outlets, you have to go search the nowadays policies, the tradition. So such is the first point which you kept in mind in opening or policy a catering establishment. Another is the selection. Selection means what you will choose. Selection is the another point for purchase control. The selection of the material, the selection of food items, the selection of the things. As example, you want to buy a shirt, t-shirt or any, and nowadays you want to buy a mobile. You search first you search the mobile shop. After search the specification of that mobile, 1 GB, 2 GB, 8 GB, the camera quality, video quality, picture quality, and after that you select as per your choice. If you need for a videography, you choose the SD camera mobile, you choose the internal capacity 8 GB and many others. As with that example, if some rules some rules we follow in same food and beverage control. First we search and after select the product according to your choice. After that the next part is the purchase. Searching according to your choice. Selection as per your criteria which you decided. That is the fit. If the 2 points are fit in your criteria, then you purchase the item. After purchasing, you get the receipt. Receipt is also many other things for your product. The receipt is useful for your billing purpose, for your guarantee or warranty purpose. The receipt can give the blueprint about your food cost. In other words, is the storage, the proper storing. The storage, can I say that if the storage is not a proper way, in not a proper procedure, that can also increase the food quality storage. As example, in food establishment catering, the grains and the dry grains can be stored in a bulk, and the leafy vegetables and vegetables, milk or milk product cannot store for a long duration. So, as per the requirement, you select, purchase and store. If you need the milk and milk product, you used to buy same day or a day before. In dry grains as like rice, wheat flour, pulses and many things, you can buy in bulk or store in a bulk. At last, the final use. The final use, with the help of these, which product we are buy or purchase, that is the use for producing the final dish. As example, if we want to prepare the paneer butter masala, we buy onion, tomato, paneer, cream, dry masalas, masala powder, milk and milk product. So, first we search the vegetable market and the milk shop, milk booth. After selection, we purchase both items, we take the receipt of that and store. Store means you have to store milk and milk products like milk, cream, butter in a freezer, onion in a open basket, and tomato also stored in a cool and peace place. With the help of these items, means onion, tomato, paneer, we prepare the final dish, paneer butter masala. After paneer butter masala preparation, we keep the decoration, and that is the purchase specification. In between, anything has lost. If your fridge is not working in a proper way, if you not store tomato in a proper procedure, and has lost, has destroyed, has wasted, that is can increase your cost. So pay attention for purchasing control. Purchase, search, selection in a proper way, proper procedure, proper things and proper material for a policy for a catering establishment. Hope you can easily understand these topics for a purchasing with the example of mobile. and paneer butter masala. So students, how is your topic? You enjoying well? Thanks for listening carefully. If you have any query, you can call or message me. Thanks students.